Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth almost on autopilot, while others keep struggling paycheck to paycheck? The truth is, they've tapped into a secret that the traditional education system never taught us: digital products. Unlike physical businesses that require stock, shipping, or a big upfront investment, digital products can be created once and sold over and over again, 24/7, even while you sleep. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a free step-by-step course on how to start selling digital products online. I'll explain everything in simple terms, share real-life examples, and give you practical strategies you can apply immediately. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap that could literally change your financial future. But before we dive in, let me ask you, if you're serious about building long-term wealth and freedom, hit that subscribe button right now and join our community of future millionaires. Trust me, you won't want to miss the tips and tools I'll be sharing in upcoming videos. 1. Why digital products are the secret to wealth creation. Let's start with the basics. Why digital products? The beauty of digital products is scalability. If you sell a physical item, you need to restock, manage inventory, and deal with logistics. With digital products, you create at once a course, an ebook, a template, a piece of software, and it can be sold an unlimited number of times without extra effort. Imagine writing a 50-page guide on how to start a profitable side hustle. You spend a few weeks creating it, but after that, it's pure profit. Every new customer is almost 100% margin because you don't need to print or ship anything. That's why some of the biggest online entrepreneurs rely on digital products. They create assets once and let them work for them forever. 2. Types of digital products you can sell. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of digital products can I actually sell? Let's break it down. 1. Ebooks and guides. If you're good at explaining things, ebooks are a great start. You can create guides on fitness, cooking, personal finance, even gardening. 2. Online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable let you upload video lessons. If you have a skill like coding, photography, or even resume writing, you can teach it and earn money. 3. Printables and templates. Think planners, budget sheets, social media templates, resumes. People love ready-to-use solutions. 4. Software or apps. If you're into tech, building a simple app or tool can bring recurring income. 5. Membership sites and communities. People will pay monthly fees for exclusive content, mentorship, or a like-minded group. The point is, there's a digital product for everyone. You don't need to be an expert in everything. You just need to focus on what value you can give to others. 3. Step-by-step course. How to start selling digital products online. All right, here comes the exciting part, the step-by-step system. Let's break it down into clear stages. Step 1. Find your niche. Ask yourself, what do people constantly struggle with? Where can I provide value? A good niche balances your skills and market demand. Use Google Trends, Reddit, or even TikTok to see what's trending. Step 2. Validate your idea. Before you spend weeks creating, make sure people actually want it. Search on Amazon Kindle, Etsy, or Gumroad for similar products. If others are selling well, that's a green light. Step 3. Create your product. Don't overcomplicate it. Your first digital product doesn't have to be perfect. If it's an ebook, write it in Google Docs and design with Canva. If it's a course, record simple videos using your phone. Done is better than perfect. Step 4. Choose your platform. There are many places to sell. Etsy for printables, planners, templates. Amazon KDP for ebooks and journals. Gumroad or Shopify for all-in-one stores. Udemy or Teachable for courses. Pick one platform to start with and keep it simple. Step 5. Set up payments and automation. The best part about digital products is automation. Once uploaded, your platform handles payment and delivery automatically. You don't need to email files manually. The system does it for you. Step 6. Marketing your product. This is where most people get stuck. Remember, even the best product won't sell if nobody knows about it. Use these free strategies. Create short TikTok or Instagram videos showing the benefits. Share blog posts or YouTube videos related to your product. Use Pinterest for templates and planners. It's huge for this niche. If you have a small budget, You can also test ads on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Step 7. Build customer relationships. Your first customers are gold. Collect emails, ask for reviews, and offer them discounts on future products. Building trust leads to repeat buyers, and repeat buyers are where the wealth comes in. 4. Common mistakes beginners make. Now, let's address some rookie mistakes so you don't fall into the same traps. Try to sell everything at once. Focus on one product first. Perfectionism. Waiting months to launch kills momentum. Start small, improve later. Ignoring marketing. If I build it, they will come is a lie. You have to promote. Quitting too early. Digital products can take time to gain traction. Patience pays. 5. Scaling into wealth creation. Once you have your first successful product, it's time to scale. Bundle products together. For example, 3 ebooks for the price of 2. Build an email list and launch new products directly to your audience. Outsource design, editing, or marketing to free up your time. Offer premium versions of your products, like turning an ebook into a full video course. This is how small creators turn into 6-figure businesses. And if you've been enjoying this free course so far, take a second to hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people, and it lets me know you'd like more deep dive tutorials like this. 6. Long-term strategy for digital wealth. Here's the mindset shift. Don't think of digital products as side hustles. Think of them as digital assets. Every ebook, course, or template you create is like planting a money tree. The more you plant, the more harvest you get. Wealth comes not from working harder, but from building systems that keep working for you. Digital products are exactly that system. And remember, it doesn't matter if you're starting with 0 followers, 0 subscribers, or 0 experience. Everyone begins at 0. The only difference is who keeps going. So there you have it. The full roadmap to starting your journey in digital products. From finding your niche, creating your first product, choosing the right platform, and marketing it, to finally scaling into long-term wealth creation. If this video gave you value, do me a favor. Drop a comment below with the type of digital product you'd like to start with. I'd love to hear your ideas. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more free, step-by-step courses on making money online and building financial freedom. Your digital empire could start today. All it takes is one idea, one product, and the courage to put it out into the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.